Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I want to go over how you can sign into your KW email. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Gmail or Google, and you want to go to gmail.com. Okay. Now, also, if you have a Gmail app on your phone, you can also sign in that way. And then you're going to go ahead and type in your KW email. So whatever your KW email is, you're going to go ahead and type that in and hit enter. Whoops. And if I could type it correctly, maybe it would work. Once you type that in, you're going to go ahead and paste in your password, and it should go ahead and have you sign in, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. Once I sign in, this is my KW email. It is the exact same as a Gmail account. Now, if you are already signed into a Gmail account, you can also click that icon in the top right corner and you can click add an account. So if you're already signed into a personal Gmail, you can click add an account and sign in that way as well. So that is how you will sign into your KW email or sign into multiple Gmail accounts within the same browser. Okay. The same thing from your Gmail app, you will sign in the same way on Gmail. Go ahead and add an account or sign in. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.